basketball, number 30. Pass to the mid. And attacks. Floater. Bullseye. Gun. Is stolen. Goes to Sao. In a bucket. Top shot, won't go. Rebound and a put back and bucket is good. Attacks. Pinoy step inside pass. Basket and one. Welcome to Bulacan Intertown, Balagtas versus Santa Maria. Attacks, the floater, no, short. Team Santa Maria, the pass. Pass it back, setting the play. He dribbled the ball, now it's a top. Pass it to the wings, to the middle. And close over, in one side. Oh, no good. Rebound Balagtas. And now goes inside the pull-up jumper. The Victoria pulls up. Maria basketball sets the play. The pass. Natapagan is stolen. Goes inside. In a bucket. Basketball. And guarded by two. The pass to the wings. To the top. Benitez is spinning. Inside pass. Fires. Oh, face to face. Attacks, Pinoy step inside pass, basket and one. Pass and stolen for Team Santa Maria. Goes this and easy too. Pascual spinning, drives to the middle, the floater is in, Fadin. Here comes Team Balagtas. Second shot clock down to 4. Ball is stolen. And here's number 30, inside pass rejected! That block and the pass break. Lace, easy too! Here comes Team Santa Maria. Corner pass, bounce pass inside. Put back and a bucket is good. And dribbling the ball for Team Balagtas. And stops. And Natapigan stolen. And the pass break. Recover. Stole it back. And the pass break. The follow-up. Oh, the love pass and the finish. Here's Team Santa Maria basketball, number 30. Pass to the mid. And attacks. Floater. Bullseye. Here's Team Balagtas. The pass to the wings. Spinning. Kicks out. And pull-up J at 3. Bang! Off the window! And here's number 21. Top shot, won't go. Rebound and the put back and bucket is good. Balagtas basketball. Crosses over and the pass. Goes inside. The lace left-handed. Bullseye! Team Santa Maria babawi and a bucket is good. End of the first quarter. Balagtas basketball. Trapping defense for Team Santa Maria. The pass and to number 4. Side step and the pass, the floater. Yes, it's in. And here's Santa Maria basketball. Drives, spinning. Oh, what smoke move! And pass kicks out. To the middle, spins. Another spin, kicks out. Drive to the hoops of the glass. Yes, sir. And attacks. Penetrates. Oh! No good. Team Santa Maria. Lumusot. The pass. Drives. Lost the line. Stolen. And here's number 80. Straight to the hoops. Oh! Spectacular move! Here's Team Santa Maria basketball. The pass to the middle. Crosses over. Bump and falls. No. Rebound for number 4. Pascual stolen. And the pass. Delays. Oh! Taas mo tumalon na idol. And the pass inside. The connection is good. 37-31 ball is stolen. And the pass, libre fakes and fire. Bucket is good. Pass basketball. The pass to the middle. He fakes. He dribble. He lays. Hey, pinalusot. 34. And he's stolen. He's stolen away. And it's number 5. To the middle. To Alegre. Alegre. Attacks, pump. Inside pass. And Fudan face away. Bucket is good. Fudan. Yung sumabit. Oh, eto na. 1-on-1. Pull up jumper. Bullseye. The net. And here's Team Santa Maria. Drives, bump, and kicks out. Open look, fires, bang! 3 points! Getting the play. Iniiwala yung mga kasama. Na 1-on-1 goes to the middle between the legs. Drives to the hoops. Short. Tips in. Bucket. Ortiz. It's Team Santa Maria. Spins and the pass. And Alegre. Inside pass. Put down with the finish. Basketball, the pass. Pull up jumper. Short, rebound, picks and fire. Bucket is good. 5-4-1 score natin. 4-point lead for Team Balagtas. The picks. Great space and pass. And a pass back. Pull up jumper. Down to 2-1 lead. And the bump and the pass. Number 28. And lace. And yes, it's in. By number 2. And pass. Number 30. No look pass. The pass and mounted and 1. And the pass. And here's Malangin. He's straight to the hoops. Oh, not Kelly pa. And it's Parado. Deep 3. Bam! 3 points! Maria. And the pass. 2-on-2. Drive straight to the hoops. And bucket is good. Here's Team Santa Maria. Ball possession. Goes to the baseline. The bump. Pull up J. Bullseye. And bounce pass. Fernandez pass to Kipot. Kipot against Pudan. He's stolen. And there's Alegre. Alegre in the pass. Pascual fakes. Pass to Alegre and fire. Bucket is good. Alegre. For Team Balagtas. Pass to Kipot. Pass back. Fernandez. Against Alegre. Spins. Almost stolen. And is stolen. Here's number 34. Nice bucket. And for the lead. And here's Malangin for 3. No good. Basketball. Here's Alegre. Alegre the pass. Fudan to Pascual Pix. Penetrates, spinning. Kicks it out. Manahan spins. And fires. Bucket. Manahan. Goes over. And here's Encarnacion the pass. Attacks, kicks out, open look, fires sa 3. Bam! 3 points! Alegre. Alegre lost the handle, stolen. And the pass. And here's Encarnacion, lost the ball. And recover, and the pass. Oh, pinasa in! The extra pass in! Yes, it's in! He's stolen. And the pass break. And the lace put down with the finish. And the pass. Encarnacion, bump and fire, basket and 1. Encarnacion at 65. Here's Kipot. Kipot at the wings. And the pass. And stolen. And recover by. And the high pass. Encarnacion, the pass. Kipot, deep 3. Bam! Kipot! For Team Santa Maria. And the pass to Ramirez. Ramirez against Kipot, goes to the screen and the pass. And number 3 to Ramirez. Inside to Pascual, the fire, the foul, and 1. Pinasans. Fudan tries and fire of the window. Manny Fudan. Tas. And is Pardo. Pardo. Pass it to Malangin. Malangin the pass. The attacks, the lace. Kipot win the tie. And ties the game. Kipot for the lead. He fires in and out. Rebound para dito sa Team Santa Maria. And we are tied at 71. Fudan zigzagging. Bounce pass. Penetrates, lays, basket for the lead. And here's Malangin dancing, driving, lays, basket and one. Malangin. And a chance for 3-point play and lead the game. And in and out, still ties the game. Here's Team Santa Maria basketball. 1 minute and 3 seconds. Alegre, guarded and pass. Inside pass, oh, the love pass and the finish. What a finish. 49 seconds on the game clock. 2-point lead for Team Santa Maria. Malangin against Alegre, goes to the screen. Screened by Diaz and attacks the far basket, tie game. Rain Bam, 75 all. 20 seconds on the game clock. Shot clock down to 10. Shot clock down to 7. Pascual inside, pass fakes. Kicks out, Pascual. Fires, not good. Rebound, put back. Oh, sinausaw. Gasos, oh. Oh no, basket down. 8.3 seconds, 75 all. Looking for the receiver, pass to the middle. Down to 4. Crossover spinning. And far short. Gray. Pass it to Fudan. Dribble the ball, goes to the screen. And the pass. Attacks and lays. Yes, it's in. Sean goes to the wings. The pass. Kipot bounce pass. Bump. Diaz to Encarnacion, pull up jumper. No good. Rebound para dito sa Team Santa Maria. Alegre. Spinning. Passing. And attacks. The side step. The lace. Won't go. Rebound and the putback. Oh, no good. Rebound Kipot. And stolen. And the lace and this out. The glass bucket is good. Oh! Encarnacion pass to Kipot. Kipot up. The lace. Yes, it's in. Kipot. And bump. And pass to Fudan. Di diskarte. Pinasahan ng kalaban. And it's Malangin, the side step, the foul, and the bucket. Basket and one by Flex. 4-3, Fudan. In and out. Rebound. Remains for Team Santa Maria. Spins and fire. Too strong. To the lead. Yes, it's in. And for the last free throw. And gets Alegre. Alegre goes inside. And the pass, fires, and it's in. 4-point lead. And here's Alegre. Drives to the hoops. Won't go. Rebound De Jesus and put back. Basket is good. De Jesus. And here's Timbalagtas. Behind the back. Goes inside, natapikan, is stolen. And De Jesus will save. And the pass. And seconds to play. Pascual inside pass. De Jesus pass back. Too strong. And